Welcome to Basha Mark and Company. Today, we are talking about something important: limited companies versus sole traders. Let's figure out which one might be best for you and your business. First off, let's keep things simple. A limited company is like a separate person from you. It means if something goes wrong with your business, your personal stuff, like your house or savings, are safe. On the other hand, a sole trader means you and your business are one and the same. That means if your business has problems, so do you. Now, let's look at why some people choose to be a limited company. Limited liability. As mentioned earlier, limited liability protection shields your personal assets from business debts and legal liabilities. This can provide peace of mind and financial security, especially in unpredictable business environments. Tax efficiency. Limited companies often enjoy more tax planning opportunities compared to sole traders. You may benefit from lower corporate tax rates, tax-deductible expenses, and more flexible dividend distributions. Credibility and perception. Incorporating as a limited company can enhance your credibility and professionalism in the eyes of clients, investors, and partners. It may open doors to larger contracts and business opportunities. But being a sole trader has its perks too. Simplicity and flexibility. Operating as a sole trader involves minimal administrative burden and regulatory requirements compared to a limited company. You have more flexibility in decision-making and can adapt quickly to changing market conditions. Full control. As a sole trader, you have complete control over your business operations and finances. You make all the decisions without having to consult with partners or shareholders. Tax simplicity. Sole traders typically have simpler tax obligations, with income taxed at personal rates. You won't have to deal with corporate tax filings or complex accounting procedures. So, which one should you choose? Well, it all depends on what you want for your business. Let's sum it up. If you want to play it safe, save on taxes, and look more professional, go for a limited company. But if you like things easy, want full control, and don't mind simpler taxes, being a sole trader might be your thing. Remember, it's all about what works best for you. And if you need help deciding, we're here for you at Basha Mark and Company. We'll help you figure it all out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.